You must go through this in case of a fire, earthquake, etc. You have to go here to get on a train. You should collect your baggage here after you have landed. You can buy products without import tax here. You must present your identity papers here. You have to go here to get on a flight abroad. You can follow this sign to get to the top of the ship. You must be careful as you leave the tube.
You must go through the emergency exit in case of a fire or earthquake. You have to go to the platform to get on a train. You must present your identity papers at passport control. You have to go to international departures to get on a flight abroad. You must be careful to mind the gap as you leave the tube. You should collect your luggage at baggage claim after you have landed. You can buy products without import tax at duty free. You should follow the upper deck sign to get to the top of the ship.